know over 96% of marketers quit before they ever make any real money online just because they couldn't get any traffic? And if you're still using outdated, boring, and ineffective traffic methods such as blogging, SEO, video marketing, or Facebook ads to get traffic, then you're in for a rude awakening. The truth is, the landscape has changed, and if you're not using the latest traffic strategies, you're going to get left in the dust. The fact is, people are now consuming content differently than they have in the past. They're not reading long blog posts or watching hour-long videos like they used to. Instead, they're watching short, snackable videos on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And YouTube Shorts are the best way to take advantage of this new trend. YouTube Shorts are short, vertical 5 to 60-second videos that people can watch on the YouTube app. Newbies, people with no real skills, no experience, no idea, and some just by pure luck, unknowingly are making $500 to even $1,000 per day with this traffic method. But first, let me show you some of the results people are getting with YouTube Shorts. 3.5 million views posting other people's short videos. 24 million views posting 5-second videos. 1.4 million views posting 30-second review videos. 43 million views posting dog training videos. You can literally post anything you want, and as long as it's under 60 seconds, you can get traffic with it. You can use these videos to promote your products, affiliate offers, sell courses, or simply get more sales for your business. Why YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is still in its early stages, and there's very little competition. YouTube has $100 million to YouTube Shorts Creators Fund, which is a clear indication that they're committed to making Shorts a success. The YouTube algorithm favors Shorts, resulting in tens of thousands of views daily, even for new creators with 0 subscribers. YouTube wants to take out TikTok, so they're giving extra love to Shorts right now. And that's why it's more easier than ever to drive traffic with YouTube Shorts. It's the golden opportunity for anyone looking to get tons of traffic to their sites, blogs, and offers and businesses. And there's no reason why you can't do the same. Every other Shorts creator is driving in tens of thousands, even hundreds and millions of views to their websites, blogs, and offers to create a huge surge in sales and income. Still, 99% of the marketers have no idea about it. It's extremely easy to get all traffic for yourself if you start right now. And today, I'm going to show you how to tap into this massive opportunity and start getting traffic right now with the help of YouTube Shorts in just 3 clicks. Without budget, no advertising, without showing your face or voice, without writing lengthy scripts, without recording hours of content, without any editing skills, without posting dance, creepy, or obscene videos, without outsourcing, without waiting for months, days, or even hours to start getting traffic. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 150,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $4 million in sales in just the last 4 years. Luckily, I stumbled on a YouTube short video on my mobile while looking to buy a new microphone for myself, and I was instantly hooked. It was short, to the point, and under 60 seconds. I ended up buying it for $200. I thought to myself, this is it. This is the future of content. I discovered a massive opportunity and no one was doing it. I researched hundreds of YouTube Shorts channels over the next few weeks, and I wanted to see what kind of content was being created and who the top creators were. I was shocked to find that there were barely any people creating content on this platform, and the ones who were getting tens of thousands to even hundreds and millions of views to their websites, blogs, and offers. After countless hours of research, development, and testing, I have finally cracked the code to drive a massive amount of traffic and make $100 to $500 a day with YouTube Shorts, spending just 10 minutes a day. I found a way to generate traffic without showing my face, without recording videos, and without any editing skills whatsoever. Do you know what the best part is? You don't even need a website, blog, or offer to start getting traffic and making money with YouTube Shorts. You can start right today in the next 10 minutes without any skills, experience, or budget. This is the easiest and fastest way I know to get traffic in 2022 and beyond. Introducing TubeRushr, first 3-click traffic software that drives massive amounts of traffic to your websites, blogs, and offers with the help of YouTube Shorts. With TubeRushr, you can quickly and easily create attention-grabbing YouTube shorts using ChatGPT-4 that drive traffic to your websites, blogs, and offers in just 3 simple steps and 2 minutes. Step 1. Find and use other people's viral videos or add your own short script. Step 2. With one click, our AI turns it into an attention-grabbing, highly engaging, and profitable YouTube short video. Step 3. Upload your video, use our traffic on demand strategy, and start getting real traffic and sales instantly. You don't need any video editing skills. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need to be on camera. You don't need subscribers, and you don't even need a blog or website. With TubeRushr, you can create hundreds of these shorts with ChatGPT-4 and start driving massive amounts of traffic and sales in minutes. Why TubeRushr? Here's the major benefits you'll get from TubeRushr. 1. It's the first and only YouTube short software on the market that allows you to quickly and easily create attention-grabbing short videos in under 2 minutes. 2. It's a proven and tested method that's generating tens of thousands of views and commissions to even newbies, people with no skills and no talent. 3. You don't need any video editing skills. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need to be on camera. 4. You can start right away without any skills, experience, or budget. 5. You don't need a website, blog, or offer to make money. 6. You can save hours, days, and months worth of time and effort. You don't need to waste time creating or recording videos yourself, writing long scripts, doing voiceovers, or hiring expensive video creators. 7. You can use these videos to promote your products, affiliate offers, sell courses, or simply get more sales for your business. 8. You can use these videos on multiple sites like Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok to gain more exposure. 9. It is fully scalable, so as your traffic and sales grow, you can just keep adding more shorts to your channel to get even more traffic and sales. 10. We are constantly adding new features to this software, so you can always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click with Facebook or Google ads just to acquire a lead, or spending hours and hours trying to generate free traffic with little or no results. Now imagine you can generate unlimited free traffic with just a few videos, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. You can create as many videos as you want, and each video can drive thousands, even millions of people to your website from all over the world. Today you can get access to TubeRushr for a low one-time price. So, how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we'll be increasing the price to match other video platforms, i.e., we will turn into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure that we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this is why we are able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying TubeRushr, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked, and you still get to keep our product and enjoy all the benefits. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. TubeRushr is the best, fastest, and easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. You don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You'll still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally make some money online. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the TubeRushr at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.
Here are 5 ways people can make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can freelance in various fields like writing, designing, programming, and more. You can find freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can sign up as a freelancer and start bidding for projects. 2. Online teaching. With the growing need for online education, you can start teaching online. Want to learn how to make $10,000 per month? Subscribe and click link in description.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike at Mbadiwe.com. Now take a look at my amazing bonuses for TubeRushr, which is a product that's going live on the 23rd of June 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is by my friend Mbadiwe. And this very one, as you may have known in a nutshell, is a ChatGPT powered application that is going to help you create short videos that you can post on YouTube Shorts, and this will attract traffic that will definitely make you money, not only on YouTube Shorts funds, but also help you promote your products, and this will definitely make you money, So now I have the amazing bonuses that I have for you here, including the bonuses from the vendor himself, which are going to be yours when you buy this very product using my link, which is the first link below in my description. Now let us take a look at exactly what my bonuses said, and you will be able to see also the pricing. Now look at the pricing. The front end goes for $17.95. You have also the Pro Edition, which is the OTO number 1, goes for $37. OTO number 2, SEO Edition, goes for $47. OTO number 3, Facebook and Instagram Edition, goes for $47, which means you can use this product also to actually create Facebook and Instagram videos as well as YouTube Shorts. So it's an amazing product. And we also have the OTO number 4, which is the ChatGPT Edition, goes for $37. OTO number 5, the Reseller Edition, goes for $127 downsell. And that's exactly what you have as the bonuses. Now let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have for you. These are all training courses and your softwares that are going to help you make money online. Number 1 is Latitude by Jonah Armstrong. This one is 3X by Jonah Armstrong. And you have also Insolvency by Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Lewis. You have also number 4, Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is very important and complements with this product, TubeRushr. And you have also the JavaScript Commission Board, which is another training course and the software that is going to help you use bots to attract traffic. And you also have number 6, the Lockdown Formula, which is a beginner-friendly training from scratch to how you can make money online, digital marketing. And you have also the Commission Toolbox with over 1,000 tools that will help you in one way or the other to do your job on the internet easily, and that will definitely help you. At any time you decide to get this product, use the first link below in my description area. That link will take you to my WordPress account where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this, which one gives you access to TubeRushr, and this one gives you access to these amazing bonuses. And now let me also show you the bonuses from the vendor, which you are going to have access to when you buy this product in the members area. Fast action bonuses. This one is the commercial license is included in this one, and it's exactly going to help you during the launch time, during the launch period of this product to get it, and you'll be able to see the value you will save and make with all these ones. All of them complement with the product. This one is Live Map Web Class, which is number 2. This one is the Traffic on Demand cheat sheet. And you have also the other YouTube Shorts channel list to spy and take inspiration. You have also the Unshakable Super Affiliate. You have Become a Successful Social Media Influencer. You have TikTok Marketing Checklist. You have Free Instagram Traffic. You have Easy Video Strategies. You have also 100 times YouTube Advertising. And those are the vendor bonuses that you're going to have from this super 7-figure affiliate and vendor, Mbadiwe. And now this is exactly where we are going to definitely I believe call it a day on this TubeRushr review. I hope to come back to you in my next. Till then, I remember your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.